Hey kids, how do you make an F chord? It's the hardest chord. Ooh. Okay, look. I know because you're an advanced guitarist already, to how to play an E chord. Put your first finger on the first fret of the third string and your second finger on the second fret of the fifth string and your third finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And if you do that, but you replace 1 with 2 and 2 with 3 and 3 with 4, you can still make an E chord and your first finger is free to make the dreaded bar, which is going to fulfill the function of this capo here. So now I'm just going to slide everything up 1 and then put my first finger flat across the strings, but a little bit on its side, not totally on its side, not like that and not like that either, and not like that, and definitely not curved like that because you won't be able to get those strings down, but a little bit flat and just slightly curved. And one thing you will note is very important is to have the thumb low behind the neck. Also, sorry about that. Also, thumb low behind the neck. I lost my train of thought. People are calling me. Thumb below the neck. Oh, what will help with this is a classical posture is the most efficient way to achieve this because you can use the weight of your arm to push the strings down. So you want to tilt the neck of the guitar up, stand up or sit up straight. Be proud of your newly achieved F chord. Check each string, then release the pressure, and then put it back. Practice your F chord that way. Okay, have fun. Bye.